Hi friends, it is story time, my favorite part of the day. Let's sing our song together. Oh, I want to read with somebody. I want to read a book with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Okay, while we're reading our story, it's important that you are controlling your body so you can stay safe and grow your brains. That means you should be sitting in Magic 5 with your hands and feet to myself. Everyone turn on your listening ears. Okay. Who can tell me what's written on the front of every book that tells us the name of the story? It's the title. The title is the name. The title is the name. Every book has a name. The title is the name. What else is written on the front cover? How about the name of the author? What does the author do? Writes the words. Author writes the words. And friends, who draws the pictures? The illustrator. Illustrator draws the pictures. The title, the name of the author, and the name of the illustrator are all written on the front cover. When I open my book, inside there are pages. Pages have pictures and words. These are words I can tell because they're made of letters. Okay, friends, let's read this story. The title is From Seed to Plant. The author and illustrator is Gail Gibbons. Most plants make seeds. A seed contains the beginning of a new plant. There are lots of types of plants on this page. There's a tulip, a daisy, a rose, a pea, buttercup, corn, violet, squash, tomato. Friends, some of these are fruits and vegetables. Tomato, squash, peas, corn. We learned about fruits and vegetables when we were learning about healthy bodies and healthy minds. Fruits and vegetables are very good for your body and they grow in the ground. So plants are fruits and vegetables, and plants are also flowers. Seeds are different shapes, sizes, and colors. I see lots of seeds on this page. Can you help me count how many seeds there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 kinds of seeds on this page. That's a lot of different plants. All seeds grow into the same kind of plant that made them. If you plant a sunflower seed, it will grow into a sunflower. If you plant an acorn, it will grow into an oak tree. Many plants grow flowers. Flowers are where most seeds begin. This is a zinnia flower, apple tree, dandelion, aster. A flower is made up of many parts. A flower has petals. The sticky part at the top of the pistil is called the stigma. In the center of the flower is the pistil. At the bottom of the pistil are the tiny egg cells called ovules. Sepal, stem. The parts of the flower around the pistil are the stamens. Stamens make yellow powder called pollen. Those are the parts of a flower. Before a seed can begin to grow, a grain of pollen from the stamen must land on the stigma at the top of the pistil of a flower like itself. This is called pollination. Pollination happens in different ways. Often wind blows pollen from flower to flower. Bees, other insects, and hummingbirds help pollinate too. While they visit flowers for their sweet juice, called nectar, pollen rubs onto their bodies. Then they carry the pollen to another flower where it comes off onto its pistil. If a pollen grain from a flower lands on the pistil of the same kind of flower, it grows a long tube through the pistil into an ovule. This is the beginning of a seed. The seed grows inside the flower even as the flower begins to die. As the seed becomes bigger, a fruit pod grows around them. The fruit or pod protects the seed. When the fruit or pod ripens, it breaks open. The seeds are ready to become new plants. Some seeds fall to the ground around the base of the plant where they will grow. Some pods or fruits open and the seed pop out. Sometimes when birds eat berries, they drop the seeds. Other seeds fall into streams, ponds, rivers, or the ocean. There, they travel on the water until they stick to dirt along a shore. The wind scatters seeds. Some seeds have fluff on them that lets them float to the ground like tiny parachutes. Others have wings that spin as they fall. Animals help scatter seeds too. They hide acorns and nuts in the ground. Some seeds have hooks that stick to the fur of animals or people's clothes. Later, they drop off onto the ground. A flower bed or vegetable garden is beautiful. Seeds are planted to grow in the gardens. The seeds come in small envelopes or boxes. Directions explain how to plant the seeds and care for the plants. Friends, we know all about planting seeds. When you plant a seed, it needs to go in the dirt. Let's plant a seed together. Everyone get your seed. Now we have to dig a hole in the dirt, put our seed inside the hole, put the dirt on top, and now this seed needs sunlight and it needs water to grow. Let's give it some sun and let's pour some water on it. And when the seed gets sunlight and water, it will grow from a tiny seed to a little plant to a big plant. And maybe it will be a vegetable plant and make food like corn, beans, lettuce, tomatoes, or carrots. The beginning of a plant is curled up inside each seed. Food is stored inside the seed, too. The seed has a seed coat on the outside to protect it. A seed will not sprout until certain things happen. First, it must be on or in the soil. That means dirt. We already did that. We put our seed in the dirt. Then it needs rain to soak the seed and soften its seed coat. Rain is water. We need to water the seed. We already did that too, didn't we? When the sun shines and warms the ground, we already gave our seed sunshine too. When the sun shines and warms the ground, the seed coat breaks open and the seed begins to grow. This is called germination. A root grows down into the soil. The root takes in water and minerals from the soil for food. Up grows a shoot. Green leaves grow up from the shoot toward the sun. We have a baby plant. It is getting bigger and bigger. Look at that. The plant grows bigger and bigger. The leaves make food for the plant from the water and minerals in the soil, the sunlight, and the air all around the plant. Finally, the plant is full grown. Buds on the plant open into flowers where new seeds will grow. Many of the foods people eat are seeds, fruits, and pods. They are full of nutrition, vitamins, and minerals, and they are tasty too. Friends, this page has lots of fruits and vegetables that are tasty and healthy to help your body stay strong and healthy. I see lettuce, tomatoes, strawberries, peas, tomatoes, cucumber, corn, carrots, pumpkin, radish, banana, apples, oranges, lemons. All of these are fruits and vegetables that grow in the ground, and they are healthy foods for you to eat. The end. If you liked my book, clap once. If you liked my book, clap twice. 3, 2, 1. That book was fun.